Hello, my name is Ronald Garnett of Small Business Financial Solutions. We are experts in getting small businesses financing, and we're also experts at working with people who are entrepreneurs who want to start their business in getting their businesses funded. This is a video to help you with the process. What do you need to do to start a business? Well, the first thing you need to do is learn what your financial obligations are going to be in starting your business. It is very important when you start your business to do a feasibility study and a financial feasibility study to determine how much money is needed to start your business. If you are a new business owner, it is almost impossible to get bank funding because most banks require that you be in business for 2 years before you qualify for small business funding. What we do here at Small Business Financial Solutions is we work with businesses who have been turned down by a bank. What we do, we act as brokers where we will match our clients with funders in the alternative finance market who regularly work with small business owners and entrepreneurs who are starting their business. Now, the alternative finance market simply means money that doesn't come from an FDIC insured account. That is, banks lend money in a checking account or a savings account that's insured by the government. Any money that comes from a source other than this insured funds is alternative finance. We've heard about it a lot. Venture capitalists, angel investors are examples of alternative financing sources. What we do is we work with sources where alternative finance is available. In fact, a number of players in alternative finance markets are banks who are lending out profits that they make that are not insured funds. We have over 300 sources of funding in our firm where we match each particular client with a funder in their particular area. It's a very specialized niche market, and we will work to find a funder in your particular niche. Now, the credit requirements and collateral requirements are laxer in the alternative finance market, but in truth, the interest rates are a little bit higher because you are greater risk. In some instances, we are able to get people lines of credit for their business with no collateral and no money down. It is our desire to get every client the funding that they need for their business. And we will work with you through this process so we can determine how much money you need, because getting too much money is as bad as getting too little money. We will put you in the right spot to get the money that you need so you can be successful and not fail like a number of businesses do. A number of small businesses fail because they are undercapitalized. We will work with you to get you the amount of money, hit the sweet spot, so to speak, of your funding needs so that you can go through those rough spots and not be worried about funding your business. We will work with you and give you pointers on your credit. It's not so much your credit score all the time, it's your credit history. That is, how many credit accounts do you have? How much have you used your credit? You could have a great credit score, but if you are using your credit cards to 100% of their capacity, you are not a good credit risk. We will work with you to get you to the spot where funders want you to be to enable you to get the funding you need for your business. We try and take a holistic approach with our clients to show how we can help you grow through the process. We are not a one-shop, quick stop. We work with you through long-term basis to get you where you want to need. We will also tell you how you can use alternative funding to get to the point where you can get bank funding, which is the cheapest funding possible. We are experts at what we do. We have worked with many clients over the years, and we have gotten them funding for their businesses where they are a success and are still ongoing with it. Whether you're starting out or trying to expand, there is a funding source that fits your particular needs. We are business consultants. We will work with you. We will do everything possible to get you where you want to go. You will find tips we give our clients free of charge, so you can download and look at it. Such things we've talked about, such as know your market. Is it a good market to be in right now? Is it feasible for you to do it? How much money do you need? You have to look at your credit score, your credit history. One important thing to do is be very jealous and very careful about who runs your credit. We will teach you how to do soft pulls of your credit for business funding that will not impact your credit score. A number of people will go to a source and have their credit run 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times through a hard pull. Each hard pull will impact your credit score, so it will be decreased. We will teach you how to do soft pulls. We will let you know the best way to look for funding. There are governmental programs that are set up specifically to deal with entrepreneurs who want to start their business and who don't have the best credit score. But you need to have expertise as to how to apply for these funds and what the requirements are. We have done this in these sources and have gotten our clients funding through these various governmental sources specifically designed for entrepreneurs who are just starting out and who have not started a business at all. Our motto is we try to make everyone's dreams come true. Now, unlike a lot of people in this industry, our firm does not charge upfront fees. We get paid commissions when we get deals funded. So if you come and work with us, you're under no obligation. You don't have to pay any money. When the deal is funded, we get paid a commission off your funded deal. So you don't really have any risk of paying us money and not having the deal go through, because it is our incentive to get everyone we work with funded, because that is how we get paid. A number of people in the alternative finance market will make wild promises and say, give me $5,000, give me $10,000, and I will guarantee you'll get a $100,000 loan. That is just not true in this market. We will be honest with you. We'll be transparent with you. We will tell you what your chances are, what your funding range is, and we work with a reputable funding source. We vet every funding source that we use to make sure they're reputable, transparent, and legitimate. You can go online, but you don't know who you're talking to. You could have a source that is fraudulent. We take the worry out of that. We find sources that are legitimate, that are stable, that have been around for a while to make sure they are legitimate funding sources before we put you in contact with them and have them getting your credit and personal financial information. During the process, we will work with you. We will counsel you. We'll talk to the funders also to make sure that the process is going smoothly and that you understand everything that is going on. We are always available to you to give you the advice and counsel you need to get this process started and to get the money in your hands. Thank you for watching. If you want any additional information and you want to know how any business can get funded without effort, please visit my website. Please don't forget to download the PDF about the 5 things you should know in trying to get funding for your business.